Etsy is wonderful. It's a vibrant marketplace where creativity and commerce meet. So many sellers make and sell amazing things. From handmade jewelry to custom art pieces, the variety is endless. But how do you stand out? With so many talented creators, it can be challenging to get noticed. How do you become a success story? What makes some shops thrive while others struggle? There are many sellers on Etsy. It's a bustling marketplace, much like a crowded fair. It's like a big ocean. But don't worry, even in a sea of shops, you can find your unique place. You can be successful too. With the right approach, your shop can shine. It's all about doing it right. Organization and planning are key. The secret is a plan. A well-thought-out strategy can make all the difference. A good plan helps you every step of the way. It keeps you focused and on track. Like a map, it shows you where to go. It guides you through the process. In this essay, we will learn how to set up your Etsy shop. Step by step, we'll cover everything you need to know. We will make it a success in just 1 week. By the end, you'll be ready to launch your shop and start selling. First, choose what to sell. This is your niche. Think about what makes your products unique and special. Your niche is the foundation of your Etsy shop, so take your time to decide. What are you good at? What do people want? Think about your skills. Are you a talented artist, a skilled crafter, or a passionate designer? Identify your strengths and how they align with market demand. Think about what you enjoy making. Your passion will shine through in your work, making your products more appealing to buyers. Maybe you are good at knitting. If so, consider the variety of items you can create, from scarves to hats to intricate patterns. You could sell scarves and hats. Think about the different styles and colors that could attract a wide range of customers. Next, make your shop look good. A visually appealing shop can draw in customers and make them want to explore more. Use nice pictures of your products. Write clear descriptions. High-quality photos and detailed descriptions can make a big difference in how your products are perceived. Good photos and descriptions help buyers understand your products. They provide a clear idea of what to expect, which can lead to more sales and positive reviews. Use keywords in your titles and descriptions. Keywords are essential for search engine optimization, SEO, and can help your products appear in search results. This will help people find your shop. The right keywords can make your shop more discoverable, leading to increased traffic and sales. Marketing is important. Let people know about your shop. Share your shop on social media. Use attractive photos and videos. Run special offers for new customers. Talk about your products with excitement. Answer customer questions quickly. Happy customers will tell others about your shop. They will come back for more. This will help you grow your business. Remember, consistency is key. Add new products regularly to keep your shop fresh and appealing. Keep your shop updated with the latest trends and seasonal items. Offer great customer service by responding promptly and courteously. Listen to your customers and take their feedback positively. Always provide high-quality products that meet or exceed expectations. This dedication will set you apart. This will help you get good reviews. Positive reviews are crucial as they reflect customer satisfaction and build your shop's reputation. Good reviews build trust with buyers. When potential customers see positive feedback, they are more likely to make a purchase, knowing others have had a good experience. Starting an Etsy shop can be exciting. It's a journey filled with creativity and the opportunity to share your passion with the world. Be patient and stay committed. Success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and hard work, you can build a thriving business. You can achieve your Etsy dreams. With persistence, creativity, and a focus on quality, your shop can become a success story.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video gave you the clarity and motivation you need to get your Etsy shop up and running. Remember, every successful shop started with just one listing, and yours could be next. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new tip. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know what step you're excited to take next. Until next time, happy selling.